Hey there everyone, Invisible and Nenra here, and today we have wolf-themed character elimination. Now these are only for characters who are wolves, werewolves, or have wolf-based elements. The characters you can vote for are the Wolfman from Universal Monsters, Warwick from League of Legends, Shiro Ogami from Brand New Animal, Von Lycaon from Zenless Zone Zero, Whisper from Sonic the Hedgehog, Razor from Genshin Impact, Saberwolf from Killer Instinct, John Talbane from Darkstalkers, Amaterasu from Okami, Luna from Hell of a Boss, Legoshi from Beastars, Remus Lupin from Harry Potter, the Big Bad Wolf from Hoodwinked, originally the Three Little Pigs and Little Red Riding Hood, Boris the Wolf from Bendy and the Ink Machine, and Wolfsbane from Marvel. Now vote for who you want to be eliminated and who you want to win.